Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling streamer mode in COD Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the main dashboard of COD Mobile, tap the Settings icon from the top right of the screen. In Settings, tap Legal and Privacy from the bottom of the left menu. The option for streamer mode is here at the bottom. You can turn it on or off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more COD Mobile tips and tricks.